So you have the ng serve up and running. In the meantime, I'll get the menu because this is a different system. I'll get the menu. It will be app-menu. So the menu will be ready. Menu works super. And then we will have the app-shopping zone. Shopping zone works super. I'll go to material. And menu. Example. I'll copy this. I'll go to menu component HTML. I'll paste it. Okay, what is the error? Mat menu is not known. I have to import this. Menu. Mat menu. So you have done all these things, so no need to worry. I'm just redoing.
Okay.
You have the ng serve up and running so that you get a menu. Okay, still menu is not coming for me. Got it. I got the menu. I'll delete this one. Okay, so we did till here. We did about us. What are the pages we did? About us, contact us, shopping zone, and my cart, correct?
Yes.
After menu, I have to delete this. Okay, super. It's done. Next is I have to go to routing, app routing module. Here I have to go path shopping zone. The component is shopping zone component. Shopping zone component. Okay, so I have to import this component. It would be already imported in app module, so I will reuse it. Shop comping. Okay. So the last thing is I have to give here router link. Router link equal to Ganesh. By the way, you asked router link snippet Angular 2. It is coming from this plugin Angular 2 snippet. If you go to preference package control install package and
Shall I click install package?
Yes, I gave install package. In the left side, it is loading.
Okay, install.
And Angular 2 snippet, you see whether you are having something. After giving install package, here it is. Angular.
Angular JS snippet.
No, not Angular JS. Angular.
Yeah, Angular 2 snippet. John
It is
Papa.
there. John Papa, yeah, John Papa, correct.
Yeah, okay.
John,
Just
I installed, maybe that's why it's not coming. You installed that John Papa.
okay.
That will give you all the suggestions.
Okay.
So here I have to give shopping -zone. Okay. What is wrong? There is an what is okay extra. This is wrong. Okay. So shopping zone works. When I go to shopping zone, it is coming. Shopping zone works. Super. I will quickly copy. I'll go to Angular routing and I copy this, paste, comma, paste, comma, paste. So I have, oh, I don't have any other component installed. Okay, let me leave it. Okay, so you have the shopping zone. Today we will work on the shopping zone. And when you go to shopping zone component, we want to bring all the items. Okay, so first step is you go to the shopping zone. And yesterday we worked on for loop, how to iterate and display a for loop. So in the shopping zone component, first we will create one array. That is the items array. And that is going to be, let us give some values. The first value in the array, object array and item object array. This is the first object, second object, third object. So these are the items. So the item is going to have an item ID is 1. Item name is orange. Item description can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so item description, this is orange. This will come from database later, but for now you will have this. Yesterday we created an array of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, correct? Instead of that, we are having this array. We will create 3 arrays: apple, orange. This is an apple. Okay, this is an apple. This is an orange, and this is a strawberry. So we have 3 objects. The first object primary key is 1, second object primary key is 2, third object primary key is 3. This will be in the database. So item ID, item name, item description. These are the 3 attributes. So once we have this array, yesterday we saw how to iterate the array. I am sending this array in the chat. So you can check with whatever you are having. Just paste it in the shopping zone. I sent it. Have you received it?
Yes.
Okay, super. So after this, we have to go to the shopping zone HTML and we have to iterate the object. Yesterday we learned how to iterate a for loop. So we will have a we want to iterate and display. So for that, I will use a div. For now, we'll start div and ng for each item from the items array. What we have to do, we have to just print the values. I have to print the item. Yesterday, when we gave like this, we got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. But today, if you see, we are getting object, 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 because yesterday it was just a string. We gave like this, Sunday, Monday. It was having only one value. But today, it is an object. This is having 1, 2, 3 values. So to get the particular value, I have to give dot. So from the item, I want to print item name. And from the item, I want to print the item description. Following me?
Yes, Rajesh.
So if I go there, see here, orange, this is orange. Apple, see beautifully it is coming. This is apple. Strawberry, this is strawberry. For now, let's not worry about the formatting. So the for loop is working now. The item has come up. I will send this HTML syntax so you can test out simultaneously. The TS I gave you, the HTML I sent now. So if you place that in the TS and you place this one, the HTML code I sent you in the shopping zone, and you go back, you should also get the same output. Orange, this is orange. You can change the items to whatever you want and you can try it out. I want to give a space, means here I can give a space. So when I go there, it is giving a space. Okay, this is beautiful. Now let us make this much more beautiful by going to tabs. In material design, we have matte card. We have something. So for that, I will import the matte card first. You go to the cards in the material design, see the API, copy it, and paste it in app module TS file, and import that here in the import section. So this is good. Now, if I go to examples, we saw this dog, the Shiba Inu. I'll copy this code. I will go back to my code. I will paste it below this. If I see here, it is coming full screen. So we studied how to make it small screen. We have to give call 3, which means 25%. So super, it has come now. Is this okay for the size, the product size? We can make it, okay, this is okay. Now I will get rid of this class example card. What is this? There's no change. And then do matte card avatar. Avatar example header image. I'll get rid of this. And title is, this title is Shiba Inu. Instead of that, I want the orange or apple to dynamically come. So here I will paste my title. And we will add one more in the object as type. What is this? This is a fruit. So all the products, I will add a type as fruit, type as fruit. This type, I can display it here. Just let me know if I am too fast. I can slow down. So item name, item type. Then we have the image, and we have the image, I mean item description, which I can replace it here. and we have a like and share. I leave it that as of now for now, and we are done with this. We have taken this and pasted here. Now we need the ng for. I cut the ng for. I put inside the mat card. So these many cards will be generated. If I have 4 items in my array, 4 cards will be generated. Super. See here, apple, orange, strawberry. We got it. And it is a fruit. We want it next to each other. So we will give a div here and class equal to row. We covered, this is the reason I covered the other day, one day, especially on the CSS, because otherwise if I start using this, you'll be wondering. So super, we have it. Now these are all touching each other. I want a space. For that, one simple thing is in the mat card, style equal to padding 4 pixel. If I go padding 4 pixel and no padding, I'll go margin. Okay, what is the, okay, there it is. It all moved. They all have moved a little bit. I'll increase this. Instead of 2, I'll make it 3. It is looking very small. Orange, strawberry. So we have the items now. Orange, apple, strawberry. I'll instead of like and share, we will have this as add to cart. So we have this add to cart, mat action. If you want to know more about mat card, you can come here and read. So they have given like what are the basic card sections. It is mat card title. We have used mat card title. Mat card subtitle. We have used mat card subtitle. And mat card content. There is a mat card content. And mat card image. We have not used the image. And mat card action. For the bottom of the card, we have used card action. So card header, it has to be in card header. So card header is having title and subtitle. So the documentation tells you clearly what all we have to do. There are some examples. Okay, now I will send the HTML code, whatever is I have done so far. You can replace it in your HTML file. We didn't change anything in the TS. So let us say in the middle, we want to add fruits also. So in this object, I can add one more item as fruits. Not fruit, vegetables. Vegetables. We will give here carrot is healthy, and we'll give here carrot. Following? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, so we got here, when we add an object, we got it here. I'll reduce the size. It is not looking good. I'll make it to 2. to font size 8 pixel. Let us see. So the titles have reduced. In the subtitle, I'll reduce 1 pixel because subtitle will be less than the title. So I'll give it 6 here. It is root Super. I have an image link now. So I can go here. To the first object and I will go image SRC. Image sources. This is the image. So let me go to the HTML and instead of this SRC, I will give item dot image SRC. We go back here and equal to is allowed when containing object. Literal is passed up SRC equal to. Okay, image SRC colon. Super. Apple has come here. Next, we will go to here itself. I'll search caret.
Rajesh, if we want our own image, for example, we taken one picture even in our phone and we stored in the computer. And if you want that picture has to be
In your local images, right?
for example, I have like 3 products.
Got you.
Just I want to keep those 3 products in my website, like anything like mobile phone or any furniture or any houses. Just I want to take that picture.
Okay.
How I can keep the exact one? Mhm.
Okay. So your question is you have a local image which you want to use it.
Yes.
Instead of going to web, you have an image like this.
Yes.
Okay. So if we see the Angular JSON file, there is something as assets, SRC assets. So inside the SRC, there is an assets. Okay, we will place this caret file inside the assets,
Mhm.
and I will name as caret.png,
Mhm.
and I'll go here. Let me try this. image src colon caret.png. Caret. This is the part we have to give it correctly. So assets, where it is, this is inside the shopping zone, and this is inside assets. So assets slash caret. This is how you can give your local file.
Okay.
So
And this website keep on running means, and the images keep on running means, we have to place our code in the any server in the internet which is keep on running, and then we have to, okay, we're going to tell this one in future. Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yeah, because by end of this class, we are good to create the website. That's what I'm asking this.
Yes, yes. You have already started creating the website. You have the menus. Now we are creating the shopping cart. There's list of items which we will display where the user can add it to cart.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have to add images. There are two ways to add an image. Either you can add from URL or you can place it inside the asset folder.
Okay.
And we are linking. So this is a local URL which I placed in the assets.
Okay.
This is from the website.
Okay.
Without asset, if we saved the file in desktop, we need to give C drive or D drive slash.
You cannot, no, it cannot read from desktop. You have to place it inside asset
Okay.
folder.
Okay, right.
That is why they have a folder as assets. Assets means all the images, any static content you want to deliver in the website, you have to place it here. Because a website cannot read a local folder. It is security. The browsers are not allowed.
Okay.
So the same way, I will search for orange.
That means, Rajesh, in this Angular, the main thing, the HTML.html.ts.
Correct. We got an apple image, we got an orange image, and strawberry. All right, we got all four.
Okay.
So I will send this code. You can paste it or compare with your codes if it's not working. I send the TS code in the chat, the array, and I have sent the HTML code also now. So menu, I will give a background color to identify that is a menu. app menu.html. I will give a div style equal to, already you have it, right? You have a background color. Okay, so I have a menu, and if you go to the material component, there is something as there are many like cool components, web components, which we can use. Something which is really cool is there is one okay, what batch, like this text with a batch, an icon with a batch. I will do what we will do. We will at the corner here we will show a shopping cart icon. Above that we will show how many items are there in the shopping cart. So if you go here, there is a batch, and the last one, if you see, these are the possibilities which we can use the batch. This is used in your Android phone to show the number of messages you have received. If you notice, this is what they are using. Above the app, they will give a round, right, with the number 1, 2, or 3, which means those many 100 messages are there. That is the batch. So we will use the last one. I'm interested in this icon with an image. So I will copy this icon, mat icon. This is something new we are using. We have not used it so far. So here I want an icon. So to use mat icon, I need to import it. In the API, we have a mat badge import module. I'll go to app module. Match module. Okay, let's see if the icon has come. No. Why? Because we have to do one more thing also. We okay, first thing I didn't save it. Mat icon. For mat icon, I have to do one import. Okay, got it. But mat icon, maybe I did already. Okay. So I'm getting it, but it is hiding above, right? So I need to push it down. So what I will do in my app component HTML, this app menu, I will push it down, or else I'll go to menu component. Here we have a style, right? I'll push like padding top. I have to push it down, or margin top. I'll push by 10 pixel. So this should now push. Yeah, it came down. And this has to be in the end. So what I have to do, I will write one div here. This entire content of buttons, I will make as one div, and I will give style equal to call 10, which means up to 10, I need this menus to be till here. Then for 2 alone, I'll allocate this mat icon. So 10, it has come there. Call 10. Okay. But 10 itself, why it's coming down? Okay, let me see. Here I will give the call 2. Here I will give call. If you do this button, what is this div? Okay, notice. So 10 and 2. The total div, I will give style call 12. Okay, why it is not coming? Call to my car. My car, I want to push it here. Okay. I go 8. Style equal to a row. Hmm. Call 8 is this, and then 2 is this. Okay, so what is wrong? Span class example with a home icon. I will remove this one. No. Inspect. Call. I will do call large screen 8. Call large screen 12. No, but why it is not coming? Call LG 12. This is a 12, and this is still. Okay, this alignment I will do later then. So where are you guys so far?
Rajesh, if we copy paste the code, whatever you gave, copy paste means we're not able to follow you. So we just take the codes, whatever you ping.
Okay. I have sent you one latest code, so you can use that. With this, I'll stop. You can continue. So I sent you the menu component code, shopping zone component code, and TS already I sent you. So we have taken one step now, and we have brought in a nice user interface to showcase our products. I'll stop the share, so you guys can now share and work it out. I sent you all the required codes. You just have to paste it and understand it.
Rajesh, today I'll practice this one, Rajesh, by seeing your video.
I'm sorry?
Today I'll practice this one by seeing the video, today's video. Just I'll get back to you by tomorrow.
Oh, okay, sure. Ganesh?
Okay, Rajesh, we'll try Rajesh.
Can you share your screen if you are trying now?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay.
I just sent everything. I sent you just 3 files. So the end goal will be these values, right? Whatever we are showing here, orange, apple, we have to fetch it from a database. For that, we will use a lightweight database, Firebase or Firestore from Google.
Rajesh, and one more thing. We created our website.
Yes.
And then this question I asked you before. Just we are going to publish. Publish means whatever the code in the Sublime editor, it has to be always running.
It has to
And-
be
Mhm.
correct. It has to be the whatever code you have written in the Sublime editor, that is of human readable format. Okay. So you can see that you are writing array and you are giving ng for all these things. But we should not publish the code as it is because some person can steal the code. So
Okay.
we have to compile the code to a non-human readable format and make it tough for anyone to reuse. Because it is
Okay.
our hard work.
Okay.
So we have
Uh,
that is a build process. I have a separate session on build process.
Okay.
After building, you will get one set of output code. That code you have to place it in a server. It can be Tomcat, JBoss, Apache, or
Web servers, you are telling, right?
yes,
You are telling about web servers?
yes, web server. Any server, you have to place that code and you have to
Uh-huh.
start the server. That should always be running.
Okay. We are going to place in the, that means
Even IIS server.
okay.
Sure.
I'm good with that web server. Just here I have like one more question.
Yes, please.
That local host 4200 is there, right? We are
Yes.
going to give the path of the web server which is located in the code. We are
I
giving
will-
our local host machine for the website to come in our machine, and to get to see for the public, we are going to give the IIS server.
domain name.
Okay.
abc.com or jana.com, whatever it
Okay.
is.
Okay.
You have to purchase a domain name
Okay.
and then you have to map it to your server and then you have to
Okay.
give the domain name in the browser.
Okay. These will come in the next sections, right?
No, this will not be covered.
Okay.
I will cover up to, I can tell you or show you how it works because purchasing, I don't have a live server for you to, to show
How
you
much?
as a demo.
How much it will cost? A server.
I'm not like gone through. Wait, I'll share my screen.
Could you
I'll go
please?
through
Because you
and
know, just the domain, the server, what are the things? it will
domain
be, right?
name will be like we have the different domain providers. So domain name purchase. If I go here, register your domain name. There are many providers. I'll go here, Big Rock, and we have to start searching the domain name what we want. Recently, I purchased a domain name. This is my website, enstnr.com.
Okay.
So I purchased this domain name, but it came with the server. So I don't know the cost. It came with server and also
With server means the web server.
Correct. I purchased this one, WordPress server. So let us say you want to like purchase janadan.com. If it is available, this will show all the, okay, it is not available. Only these are available. That is already
Okay.
taken.
Okay.
Someone has used it, which
Okay.
means if you go here and type it, you can either, okay, there is a site.
Yeah, usually for every guy they will have their own sites. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So just a coming soon page is there. They didn't make the
Mhm.
site live. Just a
Mhm.
coming soon is. This is a default page. So they
Okay.
just have purchased the name and there is a coming soon. You can select of these or else you can change.
Okay. By purchasing these ones,
This is
we can
the
do
one.
the things.
No,
What?
no, no,
Mhm.
no. You cannot do the things. I'll use the slide here.
Mhm.
Uh,
Because I am
so
interested to do up to the end.
yes, in that case, what you have to do is let me find out if I can get a free thing or something cheap. So what we have to
Okay.
do is we have to purchase one domain name. That is totally different.
Okay.
Domain name purchase. Example, abc.com. That is totally different.
Okay.
After this is done, we have to get a physical or a virtual machine to run our code.
Mhm.
This is the actual server space. If we see simple server, $175 per month. We
Okay.
have to purchase for 1 year.
Okay.
So what they will do is they will give a space for us to upload the code.
Mhm.
So we have to install the Apache server.
In that
The
space,
server
what they
space,
given,
correct. In the server
just like
space,
a hard disk.
correct. We have to install the Apache server, then push our compiled codes, not the source code, compiled codes. And then
Okay.
we have to go to the domain name with whomever we are purchasing and give this Apache server's address. There will be an IP address they will give us of this machine. Whatever
Okay.
machine they are giving, they will give an IP address.
Mhm.
We just have to give this IP address in the domain name. Domain provider will ask us, what is your IP address? In my case, ENSTNR is my domain provider,
Mhm.
and I have a server with I think Bluehost. I think
Okay.
Bluehost. So when
Mhm.
the Bluehost, I can log in and show you. When the Bluehost, when I registered, they gave me a space, but it is with the WordPress. So they are WordPress specialized. So they gave the server along with the WordPress install. WordPress is like another server, like Tomcat, Apache,
Okay.
content management. So I purchased along with that because I was not interested in building my own server and pushing a code. I
Okay.
wanted this package to be installed, so I chose this. But what they did, this Bluehost gave a server with IP, and they mapped this ENSTNR to that IP. So
Okay.
from now on, any client who is going to call this domain name will be
Correct.
redirected to this server, and this content will be shared to them.
Okay.
So if you want to deploy this code
Mhm.
in a server, you have to purchase a domain name, or else you can do one thing. You can register with Google and they'll give a 12 months free credit. I had GCP, but don't do it now because your month will start. When it is time, you do this. Otherwise, the days counting will start. They have a 12-day credit. Go to console. Okay, so this is what I purchased. Here you can go to the compute engine VMs, and we can have to enable billing, which means from my credit card they will start taking it every second.
Why you went to GCP? Rajesh?
Here you can create a server. If you are a new user, instead of
Mhm.
purchasing a server, they give you for 12 months free credit. You can use this, create a server, install Apache, push the code. I can show you that.
Install. Okay, we are going to create one VM here, and
Yes,
then
but now my trial is over, so now they will not allow me to use. But if you are a new
it is
user,
like pay as you go, like that.
correct. You can off it. You can switch off, switch on.
Okay, how much server you are going to use? They are going to build like that.
Correct. Based on the
Okay.
uptime. Based on the server uptime.
That means for this
When how much long the server is up.
up. Okay.
Let's say
I
the
thought
weekend you
how
don't
much
want-
I thought like how much the space we used. I
Oh
thought.
no. If in weekend you switch off the server, you don't pay.
Okay.
And Monday morning you can restart the server. You can make it on. So that those
Okay.
facilities are there. So you can
Okay.
register in Google Cloud and they will give you 12 months free. Using that, at the end of the session, you can upload the content, whatever you are doing here. You can upload to the server and I can show you how to access it.
Okay. Here GCP is going to act as just the VM.
Correct. So we
Not
need a
like-
machine. We need a
Okay.
public machine. That's all.
Okay, we got GCP as public machine.
Yes. In that
And
machine, we will push the code and no need to purchase a domain. If GCP will provide a public IP, instead of localhost, you can give that IP 129 dot whatever IP they are giving. If you
yeah, they are
access,
going to give whenever we are going to create a VM, they are going to provide IP, public IP and private
yeah,
IP.
that public IP you can use and access. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. So we
That
can
means
use
no need of web servers here, right? What are you?
no web service is needed. We have to install the web server in GCP.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll show you that. Don't register now. Once
No,
we
I
are
got you,
near,
Rajesh. Yeah, once they're near, I'm going to, when
yeah, you register. You have to give your credit card detail, but they won't charge anything for 12 months. You can cancel it.
yeah, I
your
already
approval.
registered with AWS before. I know these ones how it's going to work, Rajesh.
Yeah, so you can register. Oh, in AWS, do you have a server then?
Yeah, right now I have AWS account. It's
You
like
mean personal account?
yeah, personal account. Because
Okay,
we are
then-
working, I am working in cloud, right? Because
Yeah.
Before almost like 2 years back, I'm working in AWS to do the stuff, whatever the thing like practice. I want to get the AWS
Okay.
account,
Nice.
right? I got the
you-
AWS account.
So you'll have a server access, right? You can create a server there.
Yeah, I have account. I created like small EC2 instances and then just that S3 bucket, just
Yes.
uploading the
Same
code
thing.
and-
Same. Yeah.
Okay.
When GCP was introduced, before it was introduced, I was doing like trying out for my company POCs. I was going depth and I analyzed everything. So we were using this. The same concepts are there. If that is S3 bucket, here also they have a bucket and they call it as there is a bucket. What is that? Storage, I think. That's the terminology is different. Yeah, storage.
That's cloud storage. Okay.
Everything is same. They provide SQL, they provide Windows machine, everything. So good. So by end of the session, we'll deploy it. Once you register,
Okay.
I can show you how
And
to.
then going to install web server and then pointing the DNS to this web server and then
No need DNS. We just create a web
the
server.
domain.
No need domain. We'll use IP to.
Oh, just the IP address. Okay.
Yes. So once this project is done, we will take a build copy of this from your machine and you can push it to the server
Mhm.
Using the IP, I can view your project. That is your website.
Okay.
Okay, we'll do that.
Because just will be like fulfilled, right?
Yes, definitely. This will be useful for everyone too.
Everyone, and just like, yeah, because everybody is interested to build their own website
Yeah,
just for fun and just for their own happiness.
yes. Okay, Ganesh, so what's up? Ganesh, are you there?
Yeah, Rajesh. Can you provide access to share?
Yeah,
my
I
screen?
provided.
No, I'm getting.
Can you try now?
Yeah. Yes. No.
What is the error? Items array.
Wait.
Okay, what is the error?
The
I
last
didn't-
one is not yet completed.
Okay,
Till this I have completed.
it is working.
I think Rajesh for mastering cloud also, I feel. Huh?
Yeah, I have to, man. I have to be whatever I am doing. I am forced to be good at it. Otherwise, it is a very competitive market. So
It's
if
very
you don't,
competitive.
yeah, if you
It's
don't,
very
if you
competitive.
tell like, okay, I am only specialized in one thing, there are tons of people who are telling that, okay, I am specialized in all the things. Why don't you take me?
Yeah, of
So,
course.
so you are forced to learn everything. You are forced to, at least you should have a knowledge in everything. Whatever junk comes, you should know everything. In Tamil, they tell, right? Kalavum katru mara. So you have to meaning you have to learn everything, whatever, at least you should know what the junk is. Even if you're not using. Okay, Ganesh, so you have any questions?
No, Rajesh.
Okay, so today we Arul, you have to set it up in your machine and try it out using
Okay,
the
sir.
video, so that next session onwards it has to be hands-on, because I'm not interested in taking a theory session. I want is when you leave the class, okay, you have spent your time and money, you have to definitely get a feel of, okay, I attended this and I am able to write something, or I have something hands-on. Okay, that is the
Okay.
goal. So definitely you have to have a hands-on, try it out in the machine and get ready for the, I mean, as early as possible in a day or two.
Sure, okay.
Okay. Okay, guys. So we have moved one step now from just a plain Angular like ng4 and ng thing. We just started using it and we have built the first page. Nothing super, but definitely better than the plain old page. We have built a shopping page. It has lots of features now. It needs pagination. It needs add to cart. We have to go to the cart, remove from the cart, again add to the cart, increase the quantity. So checking out. So many things are there. When we build this site, we will learn the Angular concept side by side. Okay.
Yeah. Rajesh, and one more thing, this is out of box question.
Yes.
Just I'm new to the projects, and sometimes I feel like, my God, how I can survive in this project. What you are going to suggest? Because like sometimes they'll tell to do this code, sometimes they'll tell to whatever the thing the client they will give, we have to do. What you are going to suggest? If you don't also, we have to tell just we are going to work on this. You got it right, the pain.
Yes. Even if you don't know, like they're telling something new, and even if you don't like, also you have to do, correct? That's what your problem is.
Not only for me, for all the people, but
Yes. Actually, what my suggestion is, like, you should have one clear vision in your mind first. That
Mhm.
there are two things to it. How you have to look into this is, one is the regular work which you are doing. That you cannot stop it. It will be definitely a junk also. But the second work which you have to think long goal is like, what am I going to do after this? Your entire day should not be drained only in this work.
Mhm.
So you should always be planning for the future. You should always be thinking, okay, this one is my job. I have to do this. But apart from this, what am I going to do? Now, as you are learning, right, you are attending multiple classes, you are trying to equip yourself, upskill yourself. That is what is in there. Actually, that is the right direction. You are into right direction. So what you are trying to do is you are trying to go into this flow, whatever your existing job is. Along
Mhm.
with that, you are trying to grasp some external knowledge, using
Mhm.
which you can definitely, this will be an addition to you in the next piece of code. That is what is
Okay.
needed. You are actually in the right direction. You just have to have a mental balance and just, okay, let me deal with it and just go
Okay.
along. That is the attitude. That's all. But you are in actually right direction. Well, because many people, what I see is, okay, my God, my work itself is taking up time. How will I learn new things? I don't have time. Okay, but if after like 6 months or 1 year, only you'd be doing your work alone. You wouldn't have spent anything outside your work. You wouldn't have. I know many of my friends, 15 years still they are in just core Java. It is
Okay.
not that work is taking your time. Of course, work is taking, it will be like 1 week or 2 weeks, but you have to definitely find a time to know new things, what is there in the market. I'm sure definitely with the interaction which like we have been having like past 2 months, definitely at least 5 to 10% you would have got some new ideas.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
these are
got the
all.
overall the picture, what's the thing, but now whatever the code comes in my current project, I don't have that much fear. Oh, this is the thing, this is the thing, this is the class, these are the methods calling, and okay, this is the things, what are the code, the same thing. And before I doesn't know that Visual Studio Code and what's the thing is going, and now, okay, now these are the things is going. Now I'm pretty good, I'm pretty confident in coding.
That's all you want. So now you have to just upskill, which you are already doing it. You have started doing it. Definitely some point of time these dots will connect and this will help you out. The extra efforts you are putting, I know it is very tough when you are not able to remember, when you are not able to recollect. That is why I send the codes also, because I know that you guys are in the middle of another work. This is not your primary work.
Mm-hmm.
So I send these codes to help you out. At least, okay, if I send you the code, you will remember. So that is the purpose. But these are definitely positive signs. You are already into the right way, right track you are in. So just follow
Okay.
it. Just keep it up. Don't stop in the middle. Uh, Whatever comes, just don't stick on that you are so and so guy. I am good in these things, because market changes. Market changes every day. Adopt. You start learning new things every day. You have to start learning new things.
Okay. And one more thing, Rajesh, there will be like a lot of changes in our body, right? When I'm working, because when we are working, the work which we are interested, for example, I'm interested in cricket. When we are playing cricket, we'll be more happy. When we are watching movie, we will be more happy. When we
Yeah.
are doing this office work, there will be a lot of body changes. Like I feel like it will be pain in some chest pain, like back pain, or like some mental stress. How we want to come out of these ones?
And taking
You got it?
regular
What?
breaks. Yeah. Like take regular breaks, and it will be there actually. So don't
How you
sit.
manage these ones? That's what I'm asking. The
Myself,
same thing in the starting of the stage, you felt like there will be like a lot of body changes and like especially the mental stress. How you manage those ones?
mental stress. Yeah, it will be there. But my passion itself
Mental
was.
stress means whether the task is going. I'm not sure the task I'm going to turn or not. What's the thing? A little bit like we feel like headache, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I had that fear when I was as a fresher, because when
Mhm.
someone else was giving me job, I was having the same issue whether I will finish it or not, whether will this come or not. If you really see, all these mental stress or these things come because lack of knowledge. We are not confident whether we know things. If I'm
Yes,
asked, if I'm going to give you something on a topic which you know, you will never have a mental stress. You know, okay, this is what it is. I know. I just place these code. It is going to work because the root is skill set. We are not confident of our skill set. Only that is the time the mental stress starts.
yes.
Yeah. So starting, I also had this, but it comes with practice. You just have to. But as you said, compared to earlier, now I am able to understand the codes. I'm not. It is not looking Greek and Latin for me. It is not strange for me. It is looking good for me. The same thing, if you continue for, let's say, 1 or 2 months, you will not even bother about that. Oh, this is what the code is. I know how to handle this, man. Then you have to change your focus to something new. Once you are comfortable with the current thing, you focus on something new. You start taking up unknowns. You start taking up challenges. Like this, you'll not have the root causes because of the lack of we don't know things. Even if you ask me something new, I'll also have the mental stress. Oh my God, am I going to finish this or not? I don't know how it works. But once I get the root of the things, that's all. Right?
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. So
Because the thing in our home country, you know that how the things here, because we keep like more experience, we will get the task also the same.
yes, yes.
Yeah.